The markets were in positive zone today, but that does not mean that it's all good. Let's see what's happening in today's market wrap-up. Welcome to Stock Market News from Market Wrap-up. Sensex went up by 111.42 and the same closed at 50,651.90. There's a good news. I'll tell you what it is. Apart from this, Nifty has gone up by 22.4, which is right now at 15,197.70. Banks in India have reported loan fraud worth 5 trillion rupees. SBI seems to be the biggest one. 90 banks totally have come out telling that there are frauds in the loan, and SBI alone has told 78,072 crores is what the losses or fraud is. So tomorrow we will get to know what will happen in the markets based upon this particular thing. Natco Pharma shares hit 52-week high as DGCI gives nod for them to produce black fungus drug. With this particular company, shares jumped by 11% today. Upgrade acquires Impartus, which is a Bangalore-based company. Impartus is mainly into this particular business, wherein they are into online video streaming, video learning solution, which is being offered to colleges. And this company was acquired by Upgrade today. And Kaizen had invested in this company 4.1 billion in 2015. So they have exited this particular investment. It's a good thing. So Upgrade plans to make it an Upgrade campus, and with this they intend to reach almost 60,000 users and other things. So let's see what the news in detail is, probably on one of the websites. Apart from this, Yes Bank gets a relief from SE, wherein the SEBI had placed a penalty on them of almost 25 crores in the AT1 bonds case. So it's a good news for this one. At the same time, BSE listed firms hit 3 trillion mark today, and it's a celebration for BSE because BSE had closed at 2.99 trillion on 21st, that is the last working day, that is Friday evening. As the market went up today, it's a very good thing for BSE. So this is the main news for the day. The day's gainer is IOC, Indian Oil Corporation, which went up by 4.94% and the same closed at 109 rupee 45 paise. The day loser was Shree Cement, which went down by 2.58% and the same closed at 26,909.35. Gold and silver both have gone up. Gold is gone up by 140 rupees for every 10 grams and the same is right now trading at 544. At the same time, silver right now trading at 71,673 and the same is up by 624 rupees for every 1 kilo. USD and Euro both have gone down. USD right now trading at 74 rupee 40 paise and the same is down by 13 paise. Euro also has gone down by 38 paise and the same is trading at 89 rupee 55 paise. There is no change in petrol and diesel prices today, luckily, but crude as such in international markets have gone up. In India, it's right now trading at 4,750 and the same is up by 91 rupees. The technical chart shows bit of shakiness in the market, maybe because of the bank news coming out, that loan frauds and other things. This would have happened. Tomorrow we'll get to know what exactly will be the thing, because I think market should go down because there is weakness that got showed at end of the movement in the market. So this may be the main thing tomorrow. So do like and subscribe the channel and share the videos amongst your friends so that more people get to learn and they can earn. And yes, be safe. Thank you. Have a great day.